Ladies and gentlemen, if I can just get your attention, please. Firstly, what an absolutely spectacular day, a stunning day, the first weekend of spring to come out here to purchase prime real estate. It is on behalf of our agency, Buxton, Yuen, of course, myself, Stephen, and we've been the listing and marketing agents assisting you with all your inspections and inquiries. We'd like to wish you the best of luck in your endeavours to secure such a magnificent property here today. We've also got the team here. We've got Jim, Renee, Eric as well. To buy this property, buyers, all you need to do is bid. It is that simple. Make sure you hold that highest bid at all times, and then subject to reaching our vendor's reserve price, I will announce that we're on the market and selling to the highest bid. I'll then call it first time, second time, third and final time. And if there's no further bids, the gavel comes down, and past that point, the property is sold. We cannot take any late bids, no late offers. Buyers, if in the scenario we happen to fall a bit short of our vendor's reserve, very simple. We'll pass in and we negotiate first and only with the party that holds that highest bid. They'll come in first, they'll speak to our owners, have that first right of a negotiation, and I'm confident they will buy this home, and you're going to miss out if you're not holding that highest bid. Now, buyers, must announce to you all that today's auction will be conducted in accordance to the rules and any other additional conditions that were made available for your inspection prior to the start of today's auction. The rules, they prohibit the auctioneer from accepting bids or offers for the home after it's been knocked down. The vendors, they do have a reserve price as your auctioneer. I'm going to indicate bidders upon request. The law doesn't prohibit false bidding, prohibits bidders causing major disruptions, and prohibits bidders attempting to prevent any others from bidding, and it does provide fines for this conduct. The rules, they permit vendor bids. Buyers, if and when I place that vendor bid, I will announce it very clearly by stating those words, vendor bid, and by law only I as the auctioneer can place that vendor bid. Now, buyers, those are the rules in which we've been by in the state of Victoria. Again, the property we offer for your competition, 207 George Street here in the prime suburb of Mont, we sell to you today. It is via an unconditional auction contract. What that means, there's no cooling off. A 10% deposit is due and payable, and the balance at settlement fairly flexible, buyers, 30, 60, 90 days, unless you've had any prior arrangements that have been checked and agreed upon with our owners. Then please bid on those terms. Now, buyers, before we get straight into the auction bidding part, of course, I'm just going to briefly go over this home with you and remind each and every one of you that have given up your Saturday afternoons why you need to be bidding, buyers. Because, buyers, what an opportunity. A very versatile property that would suit many different types of buyers, whether you're looking for your very first home, buyers, offering you 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a lot of open plan living. It's been updated. All you need to do is move in and enjoy. Or, buyers, if you're looking to buy, rent it out, hold it as a long-term investment, Mont will continue to have that great capital growth, so rest assured your purchase today is a very, very wise one. Or, buyers, if you're looking to downsize, if you're coming from a bigger home but don't want to compromise on the space and the living areas, then this ticks all those boxes. It's single level, it's low maintenance, in a great location. It doesn't get much better than this, buyers. Of course, as we said, there's only 2 on the block here. There's no owners corporation, single level, buyers. Everything around you, your zone for Kooyong Secondary, Mont Primary, you've got Kingsley Gardens down the street, Box Hill Central, just a stone's throw away with all the public transport that you need, buyers. Eastern Freeway down the road as well. So, buyers, you've seen it, you love it. This is your opportunity to bid and buy. We're going to throw it over to you now, buyers. Open a bid or off half to get us underway, buyers. In your hands now, buyers. Auction's underway. We do have an online party that is registered to bid with us today. I believe Jim's monitoring those bids. But you're right here, right now, with an opportunity to purchase it. Just call it out, raise the hand, buyers. We've been quoting $950 to $1,045, even if it was $950. I'll take it. That's great value at that level, buyers. Any bids for our online party? You've given up your Saturday afternoons. This great day, you've come here out of all the auctions, you've chosen this one to come to. I can think of many better things to do. Surely you didn't just come out here to watch buys. Let's call it $950, buyers. I can place a vendor bid if I need to. What that means, you'll need a bid above me. You're right here, right now. Our owners are here to sell, but need your participation to get this auction underway. Call it out, raise the hand, buyers. $950,000 or $1,045,000 in this great location, single level, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, updated and nothing to do, buyers. Not sure what you're waiting for, buyers. If you miss out on this, spring market now, competing with more buyers, paying more for properties you don't even like so much. Our owners are here to sell, but we need your participation, buyers. If we pass in, even if it's on a vendor bid, we open the negotiations out to every single person that wasn't able to make it. If you want to buy this home, you've got to bid. Can't make it any more simple than that, buyers. How about we say $950? At $950,000, I'd buy it if I was allowed to, buyers, at that level. Just call it out. Raise of the hand will do. Anything there, Wen, Jim, Calvin, Renee, Eric. $950. Welcome you into the bidding there, sir. At $950,000 now. Just at the lower end of the price, go up and you're $950,000 in front of the competition. But at $950,000, you're holding that highest bid. Let's go say 975, or you can round us straight to 1 million if you want to, buys. At $950,000 now, they're holding that highest bid. Let's go say 975 or 1 million. We are in Mont, buys. I think properties in the area, in the surrounding suburbs are selling for more. This is a prime location, everything around you here. What more could you ask for, buys? At 900? 25.75 then. At 975. At 975,000. Great to see you in there, sir. Standing next to Eric. At 975,000. How about our opening bidder? Let's call it, say 1 million if you will, sir. At 975 now, 2 parties in it. Should give you a little bit of confidence with your bidding and buying. But at $975,000 now, we'll call it 3 times. Just so you're clear, buys, 975. Over there, standing next to Eric. Let's call it, say 1 million if you will, buys. We'll call it first time, 975. Second time, 975. 1 million. Great to see you in, man. At $1 million now, we've had 3 parties in it. At $1 million now, how about we go say 25, sir? I know you didn't just come out here to throw one bid. Surely not. At $1 million now, still great value. Great buying at that level, sir. May I add, at $1 million now, with our party over there behind Eric, but haven't forgotten about our buyer next to Eric, though, or our starting bidder at 1 million, was it? Yep, $1 million now. Yep, next to Renee. Let's go say 25 or 50. $1 million now exactly. Just at that middle end of the price guide. Anything from our online party there, Jim, at $1 million now. Just want to slow it right down. The property you move in and enjoy, rent it out, hold it as a long-term investment, downsize. This is great value, buys. $1 million now, holding that highest bid. You've got to bid to buy. Owners are here to sell, but we need your participation, buys, at $1 million now. Holding that highest bid. They're in the box seat now, buys, $1 million now. Well, buys, in the interest of getting things moving along, I will place a vendor bid on behalf of our owners at $1,025,000. It's a vendor bid with me at $1,025,000 now. And we'll call for the next rise at $1,050,000 when? At $1,025,000 now, it's with me and against everyone else that's participated. It's a vendor bid with me. You have to be holding that highest bid. Let's go. 1,050. Standing next to Renee now. At $1,050,000 now. Next to Renee. Holding that highest bid. Anyone waiting to throw in a last bit of offer? At $1,050,000 now. Standing next to Renee. They're in the box seat. $1,050,000 covered. A lot of conversations. They're smiling. Any bidding though? $1,050,000 now with Renee. Again, the opportunity, the location, everything here to support your purchase at $1,050,000 now. Standing next to Renee, I might need to call it 3 times. Just so you're clear, buys, at $1,050,000 now. Anyone want to round this up to 1.1? You're welcome to do so, but at $1,050,000, we call it first time. $1,050,000. Second time, $1,050,000.
On the market.
On the market, thank you for confirming. And 75 then, thank you for confirming. We're on the market and we're selling away. Highest bidder is you, sir, $1,075,000. They're going to be buying this property. We're on the market and selling away. No late bids, no late offers. $1,075,000 now. Once the gavel falls, the property is sold, guys. $1,075,000. Hang on in. Anything there, Renee? Let's go say 1-1. Let's do it. Great location. You've been here for a long time now. You know this is a great location in Mont at $1,075,000 now. If I can't see you, if you want to buy it, 1-1. How about 25, sir? 1.1. We're on the market and selling away. Highest bidder over there now. They're going to be buying this property.
25.
And 25. 1-1, 25. Let's go 50, man. 1-1 and 25 over there now. Holding that highest bid. The property's on the market and selling away. Sold sticker. Getting put on the board, buys. $1,125,000. We're going to sell it away, guys. This is going to set that benchmark. You go to an auction next week, next month, similar to this, you'll be paying more. I can guarantee you that, guys. And then you'll think, why didn't I bid? Had 1,125 with you. Anything there from our opening bidder? Had 1,125,000. Even if it's a 10, I'll take it, ma'am, if it gets you in. If you bid, ma'am, they bid over you. You spent no money. You might buy the home off it, though. At 1,125, I've seen it happen, ma'am. At $1,125,000 now. If you're holding back, waiting to throw in a last bit of better offer, now's the time. You got to let us know. But at $1,125,000 now. If you want to buy this home, you need to let us know. I'm going to call it 3 times. The team are just doing the rounds, making sure we've done our due diligence for our owners here. But at $1,125,000, this is great value, may I add. At $1,125,000 now, we're going to sell it away. First time selling away. $1,125,000. Second time selling away. $1,125,000. Third and final time. No late bids, no late offers. Are we all sure? All done. Happy to miss out. Happy to let it go. 1-1-25 with you, sir. Are we sure? So appreciate your patience, sir. Just make sure we've done our due diligence for our owners here, making sure we've got the best outcome for them until everyone tells us they're absolutely out. I will take anything to see you win, man. Even if it's 5,000, even if it's 1,000, anything to see you win. At 1-1-25, Calvin is telling you how great it is if you bought and lived here. Bought another investment property in the street. At 1-1-25 with you. Hang tight, sir. Anything there, sir? You're thinking about it. You're talking about it. Means you're still interested. Don't miss out, though. 1,125,000.
10.
And 35 then. Great to see you back 50, sir. Yep, nod of the head. 1-1-50 over there. Let's go another 10 on top, man. You told me you were out, then you jumped back in, which means I can't believe you now. At 1,150 over there. But not just excluding it to the two parties. Our buyer over there, our opening bidder, haven't forgot about them. Bit quiet over this side as well, but at 1,150,000. Don't leave it on the round number, buyers. Buyers often think in those increments as their budget. Test the bid. Even if it's 5,000, 1,000, I will take it, ma'am. At 1-1-50 and selling away. Anything from our online party there. Jim, they're in the comfort of their home. They're going to miss out, though. $1,150,000 now. Anything there, Wen Yu, we're going to be selling away. Highest bidder at $1,150,000 now. We're going to sell it away, buyers. Are we all saw? Hold on, finish silent and out, buyers. 1-1-50. They sure, Calvin. How about 10? How about 5? I will take it. Appreciate patience, sir. If we were selling your home, we would do exactly the same for you as well. We're just making sure we've done our due diligence, make sure everyone's had that opportunity to think about it and bid at $1,150,000 now. 207 George Street in Mont, but it's going to be selling away. Hang on in there, sir. Anything else? The team are just doing the rounds again. If you miss out on this, back to the spring market. You'll be competing with more buyers, paying more for properties you don't even like as much, getting calls from real estate agents you don't even want to hear from. 1,150,000. Are they sure, Eric? Ma'am, you sure? 1,000? 500? 100? Anything. If Eric's feeling generous, he might even lend it to you. At $1,150,000 now, he's nodding his head. At 1,150, appreciate your patience, sir. I think we've done our due diligence. Just making sure Calvin, Wen, Jim, Renee's done the rounds. $1,150,000 now. I've got to call it 3 times. Get ready to celebrate, sir. We're going to sell it away. First time. Selling away. Second time. Third and final time. Selling away. Get ready to celebrate, sir. If there's any late bids, I'll give you about maybe 10 seconds to let me know. 207 George Street, Mont Talbot. Eric's giving me the okay. On behalf of Wen Yu and I, Jim just needs to know, $1,150,000 now. Wen Yu and I have been listing and marketing agents, so we look forward to speaking to you after the auction about your real estate needs at $1,150,000. Maybe Calvin might just need to double check. Are they in, out? Are they still there?
No,
they're gone. We'll get ready to celebrate then, sir. With a property at 207 George Street in Mont Talbot. It's selling! Selling! Big round of applause, guys. Congratulations. Welcome to the neighbourhood. We are sold! Congratulations. Welcome to the neighbourhood. Thank you for attending another Buxton auction. Have a lovely weekend and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.